Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about need of padding in convolution layer. In our last class we clearly discussed about convolution operation. This is a continuation class. Please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete deep learning concepts. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, before going into the concept of need of padding, let's refresh the concept of convolution operation on images. Then we go into the concept of need of padding. In our last class, this is the example which we considered here. On this image, we are taking a weight matrix. We are taking this weight matrix and we are convolving on this image. So what we are doing here is we are taking this weight matrix and placed it in the on the first two pixels 25 and 2, and we are doing the convolution operation. What's the convolution operation is we are multiplying 1 into 25. The pixel value here is 25 plus 0.3 into 2. That is what we are doing. The output, the value that we got here, this is taken as 25.6. Next we are moving it to one step right, then we are doing the convolution operation again. Next one step right and we are doing the convolution operation again. So these are the values which we got. Next one line down, we are doing the same thing for all the lines. That is what we are doing in our convolution operation. What's the problem with this convolution operation is, see here, the pixels on the leftmost side and the pixels on the rightmost side are involving in the convolution operation for only one time. See here on the right side, that pixel 25 is involved only one time, but pixel 2, the second pixel, the value is 2, it is involved for this operation and the green color operation also. It is involving two times. So that is what the problem with this convolution operation. So what's the problem we will face with this single time operation is, so let's take the example. So here we are taking the weights 1 and 0.3. If the value, the right side value of our weight matrix is 0.3, means which is very small. The rightmost pixels, if you consider this, if the pixel value is small, we are convolving with this small value, we are multiplying it with a very small value. If the weight is very small, we are multiplying it with a very small value. What happens? The value will become very less. In our last class we discussed that 0 means white color, as it is moving towards 255 means it is getting green color. So that the pixels that are present in this rightmost edge, if the value is small, during the convolution operation, after converting into convolution operation, these values are becoming very small. That's what happening here. If it is small means that color is changing to white. If most of the pixels are become white, see here the 20 pixel become 20, so it turns into white color. The same way 23.7, it turns into white color. Here 30, 35, these values are becoming white color. So what happens means, if most of the pixels become white color means it's very difficult to identify this feature. We are losing this feature in the edges. That is what the problem we will face during this convolution. The solution is very simple. It's very simple. What they will do here is, for the pixel values, for the image, entire image, they are adding one more pixel values 00 on the left side and the right side is added. So what happened here? All the values are taking two times in the convolution operation, so that we are not facing that problem with this. So that is the output which we got after adding. After this is what we call it as padding. And one more thing we have to understand, if you take the weights like this, here for understanding purpose we are taking weights only on the horizontal side. If you take the weight matrix like that, like this 1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.8, 2 by 2 matrix, so the layers, the pixels that are on the downside and the upside are also involving in the convolution operation only one time. So what we have to do, we have to do padding on all the sides. Padding means we will add one layer of zeros on all the sides, down, up, left and right. All the sides we have to add the zeros. That is what padding means. Padding is equal to 1 means we have to add one layer of these zeros. Padding is equal to 2 means we can add two layers of zeros like this. That is what padding is. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.